Hello everyone, I am BK Grodra. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about use of has, have and had. Are you ready? Let's get started. Has, have verb tenses. Has, have is the important verb in making the perfect tense. Has, have both used with in present tense, but there is a difference in person point of view and in number. We use the present perfect tense example has read, have read to show action is completed in the past and has some kind of effect in present time. Let's see an example. First example, I have ironed your clothes. We use have with I, you, we and they and plural noun. So here we use have with I. I have ironed your clothes. Now second example, she has seen the new films. Here she is singular, so we use has with it, with she. Like she has seen the new films. Next example, third example, you have done all the work. As I already said, with the plural and you, I, we use have. So here we use have with you. You have done all the work. Have can be used to show possession and making perfect tenses. Have can also be used with some pronouns and plural nouns. Now let's look at examples. First example, I have a great English teacher. Second example, nurses have a difficult job. Nurses are plural, so we use have with nurses. For example, nurses have a difficult job. Next we learn about has. Has is used with person. Has is used with third person singular. Now let's look at an example. Example number 1. It has a hole near the door. Second example. My brother has no house to live in. मेरे भाई के पास कोई घर नहीं है रहने को. Here brother is a singular, so we use has with brother. Like my brother has no house to live in. Now let's look at contractions. When we speak in English, we often use contractions. Like I have become I've, you have become you've, they have become they've, he has become his, it has become its. Try to use contraction when you speak in English. Now let's look at negative contraction. Has not become hasn't, have not become haven't, had not become hadn't. Now let's look how use have and has in questions. First write have, then use subject like have plus subject like have I, have you, have they, have we. Now let's look at an example. Have you been to Australia? Next, second example. Has Andrew left yet? Third example. Who has my pen? Fourth example. Has anyone seen my mobile phone? Now, let's look at has examples. First example, he has plenty of everything. उसके पास प्रत्येक वस्तु पर्याप्त मात्रा में है. Second example, he has ऑन eggs to grind. उसका कोई अपना मतलब है. Third example, Mohan has a book in his hands. Fourth, Helen has played. In all these sentences, we use has with singular subject. For example, he has plenty of everything. Here he is a singular subject, so we use has with he. He has plenty of everything. He has own eggs to grind. Mohan is a singular noun, so we use has with Mohan. Like Mohan has a book in his hand. Now, we'll look at some examples of have. First example, I have an urgent piece of work. मेरे पास एक आवश्यक कार्य है. Second example, I have no hope to survive. मुझे बचने की कोई उम्मीद नहीं है. Third, we have bags full of money. हमारे पास धन से भरे हुए थैले हैं. Here, have used with plural nouns and I with I, you and we. So, here we use I with have. I have an urgent piece of work. I have no hope to survive. Survive with plural nouns like we have bags of full of money. Here we is plural, so we use we have bags of full of money. Now let's look had use. Had is used the past form of the transitive have and has. Persons and number makes no effect with this form. We can use had with either plural or singular subject with first person, second person or third person. Had does not make effect with the first person, second person or third person or plural or singular. Had is used in the past tense. Had is used as an auxiliary verb to form the past perfect and past progressive tenses. Now let's look at examples. How we use had. First, going to look at an example, we go through what is a transitive verb. A transitive verb is a verb that requires a direct object which noun, pronoun or noun phrase that follows verb and completes the sentence's meaning by indicating the person or thing that receive action of verb. The direct object typically answer the question what or whom. For example, I have balloons. I is a subject and have is a transitive verb. Balloon is a direct object. Now let's look at an example. I had 2 slices of cake while you had 3 cups of tea. मैंने 2 slices of cake खाए जब तुमने 3 कप चाय पी थी. The cats had lunch but they had no breakfast. बिल्लियों ने लंच खाया पर उन्होंने ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं किया था. Now look and now we're going to learn about had as an auxiliary verb for the past perfect tense, that is subject plus had plus past participle verb. Now let's look at an example. First example, by the time he realized his mistake, she had already gone. जब तक उसने mistake को realize की तब तक वो जा चुकी थी. By Now look at had as an auxiliary verb for the past perfect progressive tense, that is subject plus had plus been plus verb ing. For example, first example, she had been eating ice cream when mom walked into the kitchen. वो आइसक्रीम खा रही थी जब मॉम किचन में आई. Now let's look at some examples of had. First example, he had a brave dog. उसके पास एक बहादुर कुत्ता था. Second example, Hari had an egg. हरी के पास एक मुर्गी थी. अशोक had a car. अशोक के पास एक कार थी. He had no issue. Fifth example, he has no reason to call me names. In this sentence we use had. He had no reason to call me names, as we are talking about the past event. उसके पास मुझे गाली देने का कोई कारण नहीं था. So we use had. With he had no reason to call me names. In all this time we're talking about the past event. So we use had. भूतकाल में कार्य had का प्रयोग होता है. अब हमने अब तक जो पढ़ा है उसे रिवाइज करेंगे. फर्स्ट, ही शी इट दिस एंड सिंगुलर नाउन्स के साथ हम हैज यूज करेंगे. सेकेंड, we use have with you, me, they, I and with plural nouns. Had is used in past tense. We use have. The auxiliary verb is always have, is used with I, you, we, they. For example, you have to do this work. आपको ये काम अवश्य करना है. Here have you have used with you. As I already said, we use have with I, you, we and they and with plural nouns. Next example, boys have a new books. लड़कों के पास नई किताबें हैं. Here boys are plural, so we use have. Boys have new books. Have used with some pronouns and plural nouns. Like I have a golden watch. We use has, have in present perfect. Like present perfect equal to has, have plus main verb past participle. Like present perfect tense, like she has, he has, it has. It can be anything like cat, dog and singular object. For example, Radha has a scooter and Activa. Here Radha is a singular subject, so we use has with Radha. We use had in past perfect. Past perfect we use had plus main verb. We use has and have to show possession and making perfect tenses. Has is used with third person singular. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you everyone for watching this video.